Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Piwigo and Immich. Piwigo is a trusted open source photo management software that helps you store, organize, and share your photos safely. It's perfect for people who want full control of their photo collections. You can create albums, add tags, and organize your pictures neatly. Piwigo keeps your data private and secure, and you can choose to host it yourself or use its paid cloud versions. It also supports plugins and themes, so you can customize it easily. It's great for photographers or anyone who handles a large number of photos and wants something stable and reliable. Immich is a newer open-source photo cloud storage app made for modern uses. It automatically backs up your photos and videos from your phone and keeps them safe on your own server. Immich also comes with smart features like face recognition, AI search, and easy sorting, making it simple to find and organize your pictures. Its interface looks clean and modern, giving a smooth experience similar to popular photo apps but with full privacy control. Overall, Piwigo is best for people who want a powerful, organized, and privacy-focused photo system that works well for professional use. Immich is better for everyday users who want automatic backups and smart features with a modern look. Both are excellent choices, but Piwigo is for those who value structure and customization, while Immich fits those who prefer ease and smart automation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.